Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, a common user review. Welcome, everyone. Today, we are looking at the new standard for Android flagships, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This device represents the pinnacle of Samsung's engineering, combining a refined titanium build with the raw power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and unrivaled eye mastery. Let's dive into what makes this phone the talk of the tech world. Refined titanium design. First, let's look at the design. Samsung has refined the build with a titanium frame, making the device incredibly durable yet lighter than previous generations. You'll notice the new ergonomics. The frame is flatter with slightly rounded corners, addressing previous complaints about sharp edges digging into palms. It features Gorilla Glass armor too, which not only protects against scratches but significantly cuts down on reflections. We are seeing it here in the stunning Titanium Whitesilver finish. The best display on market. Turn your attention to the display, which is widely considered the best on the market right now. We have a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X canvas. It uses LTPO technology for power efficiency and delivers a razor-sharp QHD plus resolution. But the real game changer is the 2600 nits peak brightness, ensuring that even under direct, harsh sunlight, your screen remains crystal clear and vibrant. Unmatched performance. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is a beast. It's powered by the custom Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy. This 3nm chip is designed specifically for this phone, offering extreme efficiency. With 12 GB of RAM, multitasking is seamless. For gamers, this is as good as it gets. It supports ray tracing and handles demanding titles like Genshin Impact at max settings with zero lag. Pro-grade camera system. Now, let's talk cameras. The hardware here is massive. We have a 200MP main sensor that uses adaptive pixel technology for incredible detail. Samsung has also upgraded the ultra-wide lens to 50MP. Vastly improving landscape and macro shots. And, of course, the dual telephoto setup returns, giving us dedicated optical zoom at both 3x and 5x ranges. Photography results. But specs are just numbers. What about the results? In daylight, this camera is masterful, capturing stunning dynamic range and accurate colors. It remains the zoom king, keeping shots sharp even at long distances. However, in the spirit of a balanced review, it's worth noting that some users feel the low-light performance hasn't taken a massive leap forward compared to some top-tier competitors, though it remains excellent. All-day endurance. Performance usually drains power, but not here. Thanks to the efficiency of the new chip, the 5000 mAh battery easily lasts over a day. As you can see on the chart, heavy users are reporting over 17 hours of active screen time, beating out the S24 Ultra. When you do need to plug in, it supports 4.5W wired charging, getting you from 0 to 100% in about 55 minutes. The power of S Pen. The Galaxy Ultra wouldn't be an Ultra without the S Pen. It remains the only flagship with an integrated stylus, unmatched for signing documents or precise photo editing. There is one key change to note for upgraders. The Bluetooth Air Action features have been removed, meaning you can no longer use the pen as a remote shutter button for the camera. Next-gen Galaxy I. Samsung is pushing hard on software, specifically Galaxy I. This isn't just a gimmick, these are useful tools. Generative Edit lets you magically move or remove objects in photos. Live Translate breaks down language barriers in real-time calls, and Circle to Search has changed how we interact with information on our screens entirely. Customer verdict. So, what is the public consensus? Across major platforms, the S25 Ultra holds a stellar 4.8 out of 5-star rating. Users and critics alike are calling it the absolute pinnacle of Android technology, praising its refinement and power. Should you buy it? To summarize, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, you get the best display, flawless performance, incredible battery life, and 7 years of software support. On the downside, the price is very high, over 1.4 lakh rupees. Additionally, the charging speed is slower than Chinese rivals, the charger isn't included in the box, and we did lose that S Pen Bluetooth functionality. The verdict. In conclusion, if you have the budget and demand the absolute best Android experience with no compromises on screen quality, power, or productivity, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is unequivocally the phone to beat. It is a significant investment, but one that delivers a premium experience in every aspect. Thank you.